How to log into TikTok account. Let's get started. The process is really quick and simple. First off, make sure you have already downloaded TikTok app in your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will be directed to the login page. Now here you're gonna find different options to log into your account: Apple ID, phone, email, username, Facebook, Google ID or Twitter. You can select the option that you have used to create your account. Just click on it. Then click on Sign In. Your Face ID will be enabled, or you'll need to type in your phone's passcode, and just for that you'll be logged into your TikTok account. If you have chosen the option of Use Email Phone, you have to just type in the credentials, username, phone number or the email address and the password, and with that you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into TikTok account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.